Hello gardeners, it's Amaryllis season, getting close to Christmas, and there's Amaryllis bulbs available wherever you turn. One of the most important things to do when getting an Amaryllis bulb or buying one is to get a good sized one. And I'm going to show you what size to get, how to pot them, and how to take care of them. Now this is an Amaryllis bulb called Minerva, and it's a good sized bulb, so it should produce at least 2 stalks, possibly 3. You can buy inexpensive ones that are much smaller, but you'll probably only get 1 stalk of flowers with maybe 3 flowers on top. This one should produce multiple flowering stalks with 4 or 5 flowers per stalk. And I'm looking at the bottom and I see some old dead roots. We're going to take those off before we plant them, and then I'll show you the size pot to put it in. Alright, now that I've got those old roots removed, and I took care not to damage that basal plate where the roots come out down here. You don't want to nick that or do any kind of damage to that, because that's where your new roots will come from. So now it's time to pick a pot, and I've chosen this one here. It's got a nice drainage hole in the, actually a very big drainage hole in the bottom. So what I did is I put a piece of crock over the drainage hole so that the potting soil doesn't run out. And it's just the right size to hold the bulb, with a good 1.5 or 2 inches all the way around and a nice depth. And then I've taken some, just basic potting soil, a good quality potting soil. I like to use Pro Mix. And then I've added about 30% more perlite to it. So it's a very, very well drained, nice aerated potting soil. And I pre-wet it so that when you squeeze a handful like that, it holds together, but it breaks right apart if you touch it. So that's about the perfect moisture level that you want when you're going to repot or pot up a bulb like an Amaryllis. And here's how this is going to happen. I'm going to take some nice soil in here, get that put into the pot, and you want to bury the bulb partially, but not completely. I like to bury it up to what I call the shoulder, which is about the widest part of the bulb. So that'll go in the ground like so, and then we'll just put a little bit of potting soil around like so. And so you can see about half the bulb is still above ground, and that gives it plenty of root room below the bulb to put out those big fat fleshy roots that they have. And that's really all there is to do it, unless you want to keep track of what varieties you have. I made up a little tag. It's a variety called Minerva, so I'll stick that in there. And next I'll give it a good drink of water and put it in a brightly lit spot, and I won't water it again until it gets fairly on the dry side and I see some new growth happening. And it should bloom for a number of weeks. In about, I'd say 6 or 8 weeks, it'll be in flower.